Alexa, tell me a joke.
What kind of shoes do ninjas wear? Sneakers.
Not that funny. Hey guys, wondering whom I'm talking to? Here it is, my Alexa enabled device. Welcome to the course Exploring Alexa Voice Services and Alexa Gadgets, guys. My name is Kumara Vaishnavi and I am part of the instructor team at MAKERDEMY. This is an advanced level course and helps you in building your own Alexa enabled device that can talk to you and do certain chores for you. In this course, you will learn how to make a customized voice enabled device using a simple microcomputer like Raspberry Pi and Alexa voice services. You will also make a voice controlled Alexa gadget. If you are a hobbyist, an engineer, a student, or anyone with a curious mind who is into the voice enabled product development, this course is for you. What are you waiting for? Come, join me in this course. I am looking forward to being your instructor and to guide you in making of these customized voice enabled devices.